Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting period in our studies today. Here we are solving a question that relates to volumetric analysis. In this question, the question said calculate the volume in cm cube of 0.5 mole per dm cube of tetrasulfate acid that will neutralize 25 cm cube of 0.1 mole per dm cube of sodium hydroxide. So in this, to solve this thing, the first thing we are going to do is to first look at the relationship from their chemical equation. In the chemical equation, we have tetrasulfate 6, and then we have sodium hydroxide. That will give us sodium tetra also sulfate 6 salts plus water. Alright, I think the equation is now balanced. So this is what happened. From here, we'll be able to look at the stoichiometric relationship that exists here. In this case, we have the relationship, we have 1 mole, and the mole ratio is 1:2. So with this information we have here, we'll be able to now go down to the question. There's a popular formula that we all know that states that concentration of A of the acid multiply the volume of the acid divided by concentration of the base multiplied by volume of the base will give us the ratio of the acid and the ratio of the base. So in this case now, we can use this to get our question solved. So we have the concentration of the A, which is the tetrasulfate 6 acid, 0.5. Then the volume is what we are looking for. We don't have the volume here. The volume is unknown. So we have the volume of the B, which is 25 cm cube, and then we have the concentration of the B, which is 0.1 mole per dm cube. So then the other side of it, we have the mole ratio. For the A we have 1, for the B we have what? 2. So we're going to substitute for all this. We're going to substitute. If you substitute via this, using this our formula, you can see that we have 0.5 times volume unknown all over concentration 0.1 times volume, which is 25, equal to 1. 1 is the what? 2. So now what we do here is to make V the subject of the formula, the volume of the acid, the subject of the formula. If we want to make this the subject of the formula, what we have here is we can cross over. We'll have a 2 times 0.5 times VA equal to 0.1 times 2, 25 times 1. 25 times 1. So here now 2 times the 0.5, we have 1. That means 1. We have 1 here. 1 times this, we have A. Volume VA only, because 1 times VA will give us VA. That means the volume in question will then be 0.1 times 25. That will give us equal to 2.5 5 cm cube, 2.5 cm cube of what acid of the acid is what we require to neutralize the base.